Hi students, in today's lesson we're going to look at how to format a Word document when you're creating a works cited page. If you format the document at the beginning, it makes it much easier to type or paste your citations into your document. You've gathered your bibliographic data information and hopefully it is recorded on this worksheet. It's now time to take that information and create a properly formatted works cited page. Here is a new Word document in Office 07. The first thing you want to do is change the font to Times New Roman 12-point font. That's usually the font that your teacher will request for you to use. Then here on the ribbon in the paragraph area, you want to open the paragraph dialog box by clicking this diagonal arrow. There are three things you want to look at here. The first is the indentation area. You want to set up a hanging indentation. To do this, choose Special and then, or under Special, select Hanging. It defaults to a 1/2 inch margin, which is what you want, so you don't have to adjust that width. Then under Spacing, you do not want an extra space in between each citation. So here where it says After, you're going to switch that to 0. And then under Line Spacing, choose Double. Click OK, and now you're ready to start typing your works cited page. Your heading should be centered, and then go back to left justification and you can begin typing or pasting your citations. First, I'm going to type 2 citations in, just following the formatting from my bibliographic data sheet. So notice if it said that the title should be, or the title of the article should be in quotations, I've done that. If it identified a piece of information as needing to be in italics, I've done that. So the formatting is just straight from the bibliographic data sheet, but notice as I type, it automatically formats the page. It's double spaced, and it is set for hanging indentation for any citation that takes up more than one line. Now I have a citation that I want to paste in. This citation I have copied from DE Streaming. There was no author listed, so I'm going by the title, which begins with a G. So it will appear between these 2 citations that I've already typed. Just to make it a little easier, you could just put the cursor right in front of the K. I'm just going to add a space so you can see it a little easier. I've copied it from DE Streaming, and now I'm going to paste it in. Notice the formatting is not correct. The font is not right and it's not double spaced or set for hanging indentation. I don't have to set that for each citation that I paste. I just select this Paste Options button and I'm going to choose Match Destination Formatting. And now it's done. And if it adds an extra space, I just delete it. So now I have my third citation in alphabetical order properly formatted in my works cited page. So now let's review. When you're creating a works cited page, you want to open a new document. I used Word 2007. You may be using a different word processing program. Set the font to Times New Roman 12-point font. Set the page for hanging indentation and make sure the document is double spaced. The citations should be in alphabetical order by the first piece of information you're able to find. And as you paste citations in, if they're not properly formatted, choose Match Destination Formatting, and it should set them to the proper formatting so you don't have to highlight each citation and do that individually. Hope that helped.